Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at a 2023 Automobili Pininfarina. So this is, I believe, the second coloration of the Pininfarina. I can go grab the yellow variant, which is the first color of it, if I remember. Yeah, it was a new release, so here is the original yellow color. Original yellow came a while back. I don't know why, for some reason, I cut the number, but it's okay. Let's go take a look at it right now. I really do love this deco, nice patterns, looks like fingerprints kind of. Pininfarina at the bottom. So yeah, let's go unbox this real quick. Just kind of, oh yes. Oh, that looks really good. Oh man. I've had it here for so long. Let's get a good look at it. My God, that's pretty. Oh, let's just take a look at it. Wow. Just look at the detail on this thing. Look at the blue design, the black paint, the beautiful chrome tires, Pininfarina on it. I don't know why, but for some reason I really love this deco. This looks like a futuristic hypercar. There are no back headlight tampos. It does have some beautiful chrome wheels, and I really love that kind of like white and baby blue kind of pattern going around the car. Got like some sort of like, I don't know. It kind of looks like a fingerprint, right? Yeah, I was right. But it just looks really awesome. Just some cool, flashy looking design. There's also a white version of this car. If we can go right here into my shelf, you can see that little white. Yeah, you see that right there. Then here is the black version. I really love the black version better because the colors really pop out and it just looks really clean. Just look at that. Pininfarina. It even has front headlight tampos also. Kind of looks like a McLaren P1 on the side. Well, it makes sense. Pininfarina did help make Ferrari, and I think, not McLaren, like, I think they just helped other brands. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you this pretty cool 2023 Hot Wheels Automobili Pininfarina. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the review, and hope you have a wonderful, oh, hear that? Pretty cool car outside. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, see you later. Bye. Got the card. Bye. Yep.